Trying to improve my solar project, I faced 4 problems. First problem, I wanted to connect all the lights in the house to my computer UPS to take advantage of the fact that I use my computer in the daytime and I turn it off when it starts to get dark. I had no money available for this anyway. Second problem, the voltage from the grid exceeds 135 volts, which would damage my LED light bulbs. Third problem, I would have to buy a sine wave inverter, since the usual square wave also tends to exceed the nominal voltage of the LED light bulbs. And fourth problem, some inverters, especially the inexpensive ones, are severely damaged when connected to a circuit which includes a ground or neutral connection. My current installation, done some years ago, uses the normal neutral as the return for all the lights and some low power outlets. I would have to buy an isolation transformer followed by a step-down transformer to reduce the voltage applied to the LED light bulbs. The chances to add a small load, 100 watts, from the LED light bulbs seemed to be an impossible mission. In order to get started somewhere, I began to dig in the old leftover gear, trying to find a couple of transformers which I could hook together as an isolation transformer. But I couldn't find a pair of identical transformers to try to use them. The transformers I found were for different voltages and currents and not at all suitable for my purposes. Suddenly, an old transformer from a very old power supply caught my attention and I began to check its windings. It had 6 wires, so I started checking them and determined that it had 2 primary windings, with the idea that it could be connected to either of 2 voltages. Connected in series, it would be powered with 220 volts. By connecting them in parallel, it could be operated on a 110 volt line. I connected one of these primary windings to my 135 volt line. That's what I got from the electricity company. And the other primary, the one I left unconnected, read 135 volts. That was my isolation transformer. The other 2 wires read 27 volts. I connected them in a series opposing configuration to the primary now being used as the secondary, and the voltage dropped to 108 volts that the LED bulbs could easily handle. So I ended up taking a step forward toward the fulfillment of my dream at a low cost and making great strides towards further simplification. I hope this video has been useful and inspiring for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Chava Tarin.